Teacher, me.
Yes, Ara.
Letter M, teacher.
Yes, very good. Letter M. Now, Ara, read the word. This word.
Family.
Yes, very good, Ara. Family is our new topic for today. Okay. Now, teacher prepared a puppet show. You want a puppet show?
Yes, teacher.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Who are the members of the family?
Father.
Yes, very good, Don. Father, we have father. Another? Yes, Romy. Mother.
Yes, very good.
What else?
Brother.
Sister. Very good, Dave. What else, Don? Again. Brother and last member. Sino na sumagot ng baby? Dave. Very good, Dave. Okay. What is the role of the father?
What is the role of the father?
Nico. Very good. Okay. How about the mother? Don. Cooking. What else? Ano ba ginagawa ni Mami sa bahay? Yes, taking care of our baby. What else? Ano ba ginagawa ni Mami? Wash the clothes and dishes. How about the brother? What's the role of her brother? Sino may brother sa bahay? Okay, Don. What's the role of your brother? Ano ginagawa ng brother mo sa house? Playing. How about sister? Sino may sister sa bahay? Okay, tata. Ilan sister mo? Okay, ano yung ginagawa ng mga sister mo? How about baby? Sino may baby sa bahay?
Teacher, I have baby. Teacher, I have baby in our house. That's all, teacher.
Yes.